Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Irpan. I'm from class TI 23T. I will presentation about linear algebra. Okay, definition of algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that studies mathematical symbol and the rules as to manipulate these symbols. It can be said to be a branch of mathematics which include number theory, geometry, and algebraic theory in research. Literally, algebra comes from Arabic, namely aljabs, which means meetings, relationship, settlement. This sense was created by Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi in his book on the concept and form of algebra. Okay. Algebraic form and formula, which is equation, formula, variables, coefficients, constants, exponent, degree or power, and term. Next, equation formula. Equation is a mathematical technique used to equate a problem to a mathematical from which the equation size are equal to equivalent. This from can be from the simplest to the most complex. Equation can be asked to from a mathematical formula for a problem. Example: the number of Sandy and Budi apples is 10. If there are four Budi apples, how many Sandy apples? Okay, the answer we can uh, we can convert this question as, and S for Sandy and B for Budi. S plus B equivalent 10 and S plus 4 equivalent 10. Okay, next S equivalent for negative, sorry, 10 negative 4. In conclusion, S is 6. Okay, conclusion, uh, Budi have 6 apples. Next, variable. A variable is a symbol or a letter that is asked to replace a value that is not fixed. Hence, divided on the question that contains it. Variables can be symbols by Latin letters A, A, B, B, C, D, etc. Variables are symbols that represent a number, while the value of the number is not yet known clearly. Okay, sample for variable. Uh, variable variable for variable for this is example is X, Y, and Z are sample of pictures. This is so conclusion for variables. Variable is symbols by Latin letters X, Y, Z. Okay. Next, coefficients. Coefficients, the value asked to multiply a variable. The value of the coefficients equivalent 1 cannot be written. Example. Example 3x plus y plus 9z equivalent 0. Coefficient is 3 and 9 for one example. Fourth example, coefficient is 8, 2, and 2. So next, constants. A constant is a value that is constant in an algebra form. The most common feature of a constant is that it is not associated with a variable or special formula. Constants can be symbols by letters A, B, and others, or in the form of special symbol. Yeah, the example for constant is uh, example 1. Constant is 10 and 9. This is value constant. And for example 2, constant is 4 and 7. Okay, next. Power or exponent or pangkat. A, a power is the product of multiply a number by itself. Usually, a power is represented with a base number and an exponent. Example: 3 power of 2 is 9. 2 power of 2 is 4. Yeah, okay, next. Next is degree. Yeah, degree. The is an algebraic large exponent of that variable. Yeah, this is sample about degree. Degree 0 is constant, degree 1 is linear, degree 2 is quadratic, degree 3 is cubic, degree 4 is quadratic, degree 5. Degree 5 is quadratic. Example, this example constant is one variable, sorry, one coefficient, which is sample. Okay, next, terms. A terms is a total of all elements contained in algebra form. Terms are usually as or as a way to explain algebra from easily. This is sample for term. Yeah, we can look. This is 2 and 4 is 2 and 4 is coefficient, x and y is variable, 9 is constant, and term is 2x, 4y, and 9. Yeah, term is all element. Okay, exponent rules. One, A. This is exponent rules. We can try for uh, some question for algebra, and we can apply. We can try this is exponent rules. Yeah. Okay. Plus the relationship between linear algebra and the informatics study program. Point one, image processing. Linear algebra is used in digital image processing, as- such as transformation and manipulation of image. For example, multiple and factor operation can be employed to apply filters or transformation to image. Point two, computer graphic. In computer graphic development, spatials in 3D rendering, linear algebra is utilized for geometric transformation, rotation, and mapping 3D object into 2D space. Point three, linear programming. At an advanced level, linear algebra concepts are used in linear programming to optimize solution in specific optimization problem. Algorithm understanding. Point next, point four, algorithm understanding. Several algorithms in computer science leverage linear algebra concept. Understanding metric and factor operation can aid computer science students in comprehending and designing efficient algorithm. Signal. Next point is signal processing. In the field of signal processing, particular in audio or communication application, linear algebra is used to analyze, analysis, analysis and manipulation signal. Okay, last point is machine linear learning, machine learning, and data science. Linear algebra from the foundation for several concepts in machine learning, expressed in data processing and analysis. Machines and factors are employed in the representation and transformation of data. Yeah. So have finished for my presentation. I yeah sorry for anything. Yeah. I Muhammad Irpan Arroyan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.